Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. It's High Security Day here at the Safe House, and I wanted to show you our offerings of Inkas TL-30, TL-15s, and all the way up to TRTL 30x6s. But this is a 6532. That's the inside dimension of this safe. And then the little safe, this is the smallest safe they make. It has an inside dimensions of 12 by 12. So big safe, little safe, but what it boils down to is high security. So if you want a high security safe, Inkas, well, of course we carry some other brands, high security safes, but Inkas is one of our bestseller high security safes. One thing that makes this safe really secure is this piece of glass, and you may wonder, well, why does it have a piece of glass in it? So this is a glass relocker. So this is behind the lock, so if someone drills, punches or something, this glass breaks and this cable is attached to a relocker somewhere remotely located in the door that pops off. So what that means is you have to drill the safe in multiple locations if you want to try to get in the safe. So if you have any questions about high security safes, whether it's the Inkas, any of the other brands that we have, go to one of our 3 locations, go to the website right down there, thesafehouse.com. Like and subscribe our videos, please, and y'all stay safe.